الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today we are going to make lamb chops. Okay, so to make the lamb chops, we have here cooking oil. We have here the spices, which is let me start from here. So we have a chili powder, black pepper, crushed cumin seeds, crushed coriander, crushed chili, salt, and garam masala. Everything is 1 teaspoon except for the garam masala and the black pepper, which is half tablespoon. And we have here some freshly crushed ginger and garlic. We have lemon, we have vinegar, we have the lamb chops itself, and we have soy sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to start mixing the marinade. So I'm going to marinate the lamb chops. So I'll just add everything in. So that's your ginger and garlic. That's all your spices. Add some cooking oil. I think I put a bit too much in there, but okay. So vinegar, lemon juice, about a tablespoon, and I'll do the soy sauce a teaspoon and see how it goes. Because this soy sauce is the very thick one and it's very dark, so you see. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it. Let's get rid of all that sauce first. I need to thoroughly mix. You know, there are hundreds of ways of cooking lamb chops, grilling and panning. I'm going to use a cast iron pan, and I'm going to make it in that. I'll probably do about 10 versions of lamb chops in the future, but this one is the very common one. So it's going to be a cast iron. It's going to be grilled in cast iron on the gas. I mean, in the summer, the best way is to barbecue it, but you know, in the autumn, winter, you can't do that. So it's, you know, it's best to do it in the inside the house. Turn the camera off somehow with one hand. Okay, so this is my cast iron pan, and I put some oil in there, as you can see. So let it get hot first before we put the chops on. Okay, I think the grill is hot now, so I'm gonna put my lamb chops on. I think that should be enough. So I've got 6 lamb chops on there. looking good. I think next time I'm gonna make the grazed lamb chops. So that's a different recipe. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. I mean, sometimes you can sort of steam it first before you grill it. That's another method. Okay, so that's the lamb chops done. So it's about 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And they're nicely done. So that's the lamb chops ready, come out really good, mashallah. So let's give it a try. Bismillah. Mashallah, really delicious, really nice. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.